What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. In this video, I'm going to tell you about OnePoll, but first I'll just cash out my £20 and we'll find out later if they pay out. OnePoll is a survey platform available on PC and mobile. It's not to be confused with the microsurvey app OnePoll. OnePoll emails you short surveys that can pay 10p, 15p, 20p, 25p or 50p. I usually advise against doing low value surveys, but can make an exception in this case. There's a low risk of disqualification since OnePoll matches surveys to your profile. The short length of the surveys makes them convenient to do at work or when waiting to get your hair cut. OnePoll aren't that bothered about how quickly you answer them, as long as you get the attention checks correct. The questions can be a bit cringy, like you can imagine the results being announced on the One Show. A major issue with OnePoll is that the £20 withdrawal requirement is too high relative to how much each survey pays. You'd have to do 100 of the 20p surveys to cash out. They typically send a few surveys a day, so it might take over a month to earn enough. You can also check the listings on the platform itself. OnePoll takes a needlessly long time to pay out, but you will get your PayPal cash eventually. I do think OnePoll is worth adding to your collection of survey panels. Not everyone has had a good experience using the platform, however, so I've brought in a very special guest to share his story.
Hey everyone, I'm Dan from SidehustleReliance and I've made over $8,000 from surveys in the past year. I've always hyped up the site known as OnePoll, but there is a bit of a dark side that you should know about. I've helped out on the platform and I've even flagged broken attention checks. You've got to help the community, right? One day, out of nowhere, I got a message from OnePoll stating that my account was blocked. When I reached out to them, they said I failed one attention check and that I was found to be straightlining surveys. To unblock my account, OnePoll wanted a photo of my ID and a selfie of me holding the said ID, as well as proof of UK residency. All of that would have to be sent via email, which is absolutely mad, and a potential identity risk if handled improperly. Despite all that mess, OnePoll is still a solid earner and I definitely recommend it. Just make sure you are careful on the platform, as well as make sure you are aware that this could happen to you too. Anyways, back over to Lazy Money UK in the studio.
Thanks to Dan for his perspective. Now you can make an informed decision about whether to use OnePoll. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.